Hi guys, welcome back to a YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we use this batch plot in AutoCAD for multiple printings. So whatever is your project here, you have to click on this output, and then in this plot group, you have an option here that is batch plot. You can click on this, or you can click on this big A. Here you can see there's an option of publish. Okay. So what I would do is I'll just click on this batch plot, and here you can see this is a published box, the same one. Now this is the drawing 2, this one, so we don't need this one, so I'll just select all of these and remove it. We need drawing number 1, so in drawing number 1 we just need to set the output. You need the PDF, so just select here publish to PDF, and then from here when you click on this publish option, then you can set the image quality. Okay, I just click OK, and now you have to click on this publish, select the location, and then select the file name, and then click on select. Do you want to save the current list of sheet? Yes, of course, and then close, and then just wait till it processed. As you can see from here, when you keep your cursor over there, then as you can see it's written publish job in progress, so just wait. Now as you can see, this plotting is published. You can click here for the view. As you can see here, your sheet has been saved. Just click on close. So let's see if it is actually saved or not. As you can see guys, here by the name file1 we have created this PDF, so it is saved. So guys, this way you can use the batch plotting in AutoCAD. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.